Welcome to my channel. I am Grace Covington. I am outside today. It's gorgeous. And if you have wondered what it would be like to create a life of ease where you do not have struggle and you are living a life of ease, watch this video to the end. I'm going to be sharing with you some potent and powerful tools that I have used in my life to create a life of ease. So first things first, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you are notified when I go live or when I post a new video. Make sure those alerts are also turned on. It has been a while, y'all, since I have done a video. I have been traveling the world and just enjoying life, enjoying my life, enjoying creating my life, living from a space of adventure and truly creating a life of ease. So what is the first thing that you can do if maybe right now your life seems difficult, hard, and you don't have that ease in your life? So the first thing I want to let you know about creating a life of ease is it is a choice. You have to choose to create a life of ease. You have to commit to creating a life of ease. So that's the first thing, is you choosing it. So it's not about, once you choose it, you're not like saying, you're not judging your life. You're not saying, things are difficult, things are hard. With your commitment, you no longer judge your life and you start to look at what needs to change to really have what you desire. So that's the first thing, is making that choice. Yes, I am choosing to create a life of ease, and then committing to that. The second thing, as y'all just heard me say, is you start to let go of the judgments. Stop judging your life. The moment you judge what is happening in your life and label it, you create exactly what you've labeled. So if you consistently say my life is hard, guess what? Life is going to be hard, and you're going to still have all those moments show up that are difficult and hard and challenging. So I want to take a pause. This does not mean when you're creating a life of ease that you don't have things showing up in your world. You don't have things that are challenging, things that cause you to become uncomfortable. Those things are still going to show up. This is life, y'all. That's a part of the journey of life. But what is different when you're creating a life of ease, everything that you create, anything that shows up in your life, you're willing to transform that and do that from a space of ease. And in order to really tap into that energy, you have to stop judging your life as difficult and hard. So let go of the judgments. Third is really looking at your life and really honoring what works for you, what truly works for you. In that space of what works for you is where ease lies, is where all the generative energies lies. It's all the spaces where you will receive a contribution because the energy is different. When you are choosing things that bring you joy, the energy is completely different rather than doing things that you completely hate. So start to look at every area in your life and really ask yourself the question, does this work for me? So if in your business, like the business that you're creating, does it work for you? And if it doesn't, what will it take to change it? What do you need to add to change what is not working in your life? So you have to be willing to start to do what works for you. And sometimes this is uncomfortable because what works for you may be something that you may be judged for, or people may think that you are being selfish, or you just receive a lot of judgment. Doesn't matter. Receive that judgment, Queen, because every judgment is really a lie, and it's really designed to limit you, and you have to be willing to go beyond all of those judgments. And creating a life that works for you. Like, there's so much ease in that. I dare you to explore that, to play with that, even with small little choices, like waking up and saying like what truly works for me in this moment. So maybe what works for you in that moment is laying in bed an extra 10 minutes. Start to play and explore with those energies, because the more you do that, the easier it becomes to choose when you're making bigger choices with your business, with your career, with where you live, with your relationships, all of that. And once you start to dive into these yummy energies, I tell you, your life changes. You wake up freaking excited about the life that you're creating, and you're no longer focused on problems or worried about problems, because you know that you can change any problem into a possibility. If you desire more of these tools and to step into living life from a space of joy, I'm gonna have in my notes a couple things that will contribute to you. I just did a podcast on creating your living as a paradise. I can't really remember the whole title, but it has the same energies as this video here. I also launched a membership program, Awaken and Thriving. We are closed, but this space will be opening up again because I have so many people asking to join. So in order to do that, you can and be notified when all those spots open up again. Make sure you join the wait list, and yes, just simply go out. We are here to thrive. We are here to live. We are here to enjoy every single thing on this planet. Like, I'm enjoying being outside. I'm enjoying beautiful nature that I'm surrounded in, and just fully receiving the sun, interacting with everything around me. And when you are willing to receive from everything around you with no judgment, you truly start to thrive in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit that like button, and let me know, what questions do you have in the comments. If this topic is resonating with you, comment below. Let me know what questions you have. But again, thank you all for watching, and see you soon.